Hello and welcome to Kundan Hikayoi channel. Have you ever wondered why some people always seem broke, no matter how much they earn? They work hard, get paid, and yet, they never seem to get ahead. Here's the truth, it's not always about how much money you make. It's about how you manage the money you make. And if you don't fix this one thing, you could earn $1 million and still end up broke. Welcome back to the channel where we break down money and success into simple steps anyone can follow. In today's video, we're talking about the 4 big reasons most people stay broke, and what you can do to avoid the trap. 1. They don't budget, they just guess. Imagine driving with no map, no gas gauge, and no idea where you're going. That's how most people treat their money. They don't track what's coming in, or where it's going out. They just spend and hope for the best. A budget doesn't have to be complicated, just a simple plan. Write down your income, subtract your bills, and assign a job to every dollar. That's it. 2. They spend emotionally, not logically. Feeling stressed, lonely, bored. Many people swipe their card to feel better. That's emotional spending, and it's one of the fastest ways to stay broke. Retail therapy might feel good for a few minutes, but it can hurt your bank account for months. The fix. Pause before any big purchase and ask, do I really need this, or am I just feeling something right now? 3. They live to impress, not progress. Trying to keep up with the latest phone, outfit, car, or lifestyle just to look good on social media is a dangerous trap. Broke people often try to look rich, while rich people often look broke, because they're busy investing, not flexing. Focus on building, not showing off. Your real glow-up will come from your savings account, not your selfies. 4. They don't save or invest, they just spend. Many people treat money like it's just there to be spent. But if you're not saving or investing, you're working for money. Not letting money work for you. Even if you start with just $10 a week, it builds discipline. Over time, your money grows. And investing. That's where the magic happens. Compound interest doesn't care how much you start with, it just rewards consistency. Here's the bottom line, staying broke is not always about laziness or lack of income. It's usually about patterns. The good news? Patterns can be changed. You don't need to earn 6 figures to start saving. You don't need to be a financial expert to make smart choices. You just need to decide, today, that your money will no longer control you. You will control your money. If you got value from this video, smash that like button so more people can see it too. Make sure to subscribe for weekly content that helps you grow your money, your mindset, and your future. And hey, drop a comment below, what's one money habit you're working on this month? Thanks for watching, stay focused, stay disciplined. And I'll see you in the next one. Let's build wealth together.